I'm getting married next year and I'm doing my own makeup. Today we're going to do a trial. We're going to do a pinky toned eye. This is a palette I picked up the other day from Mecca. I'm going to start with maybe this muted shade. Going in with this shade. Already I'm feeling like having it out this far I don't like. I think I'm going to want to concentrate it more on my actual eyes. I think I might want like a little bit more of that pinky tone on my actual lid space. I'm going to go in with the darker shade, some of this warmer caramel. I feel like this is a big trust the process kind of moment, because at this stage I hate it, but trust the process. I like how my eyes are looking blue. I do think I want to add a little bit of black, almost like, because I want to do a little bit of a wingy wing, so just like that, and smoke that right out. L'Oreal Infallible Grip Gel Liner to tight line, and then only a tiny little bit on that tape. So I'm going to pat it first. So my idea I just had, you guys are going to have to bear with me because it sounds crazy, but I think it could really work. With my Venus XL, wetting down some of this and maybe going in with Botticelli. Just like a tiny little stamp of this on my actual lash line. Like, you can't notice it, but you can notice it. Does that make sense? I don't like this outer bit. I don't. I'm gonna put my lashes on, I think, and we'll come back to the eyes after I do the rest of my makeup. I think I need to like, whew, and then come back to it. This brow's pissing me off too. Oh my God. I'm feeling down. I'm feeling like I'm not good enough to be doing this. You know what I mean? Like, am I setting myself up for failure? Which I know is silly because it's my first trial, but like this brow seems different to this brow and it's pissing me off. Kosas corrector. I feel like I need maybe more of a peachy one, but I'm going in hard. I normally do not use this much, but this is wedding makeup, and especially with flash photography, you need to apply so much more. I think on the day I will do my fit cover because it's so humid where we live and I don't want to be sweating and my makeup getting disturbed. But my shade is too light for me at this stage. Since I've moved over to Queensland, it's way too light. So we're going to go in with L'Oreal Infallible. And normally I do one pump for my full face, but because, again, wedding makeup, I'm just applying it a bit thicker than usual. The actual concealer, honestly, I don't think I've found one that I love as much as I love the Tarte Shape Tape. We don't have that, so this is the L'Oreal Infallible. This is my Morphe Shape Shifter. I may need a darker shade potentially. I'm gonna do the Australis stick. I do have other bronzers, but they're very, very warm. Just a little bit kind of around. This She Glam powder, I like the loose powder. Going to apply powders over the top. I'm going to use this shade for my nose contour again. I've just sprayed everything down with some setting spray. I haven't even done my blush yet. I completely forgot. And I did a little bit of that P. Louise on my waterline, just cleaned up any mess. I've got these lashes from Essence. I'm just wiping my lips off. I did exfoliate them, but I'm trying out some of the Quick Flick liners. This is the nude color. I do have the other colors coming. I've tried it out once before already and I didn't exfoliate my lips and it was a hot mess. But I feel like it's quite uneven. This is stressing me out, eh? So I'm wanting a very neutral, like nude blush that almost is like my skin but better. I don't think that this is the one. This is Revlon Naughty Nude, but I haven't tried it yet, so we're just gonna give it a go with a big blush, fluffy brush, because I don't want anything orange. Too orange for me, I think. I don't like the lips. I feel like the lips were too much, especially with the eyes. I wiped it off. Just gonna blank them out a little bit. I have the Cappuccino Light by Rimmel. That's better. Just have some plain, just clear gloss. I don't know if I'll do gloss on the day, because it makes everything slide off so much faster. Obviously there's no filters on this. I haven't really done highlighter. I don't like my nose contour. I don't like how the products are sitting on my nose. Not feeling that. I don't like my under eye concealer. The combination maybe of the Kosas and the L'Oreal just don't work well together. I feel like this part of my cheek is too colored in a way, like almost like there's like bronzer or something a little bit too much there. Worried if I go back over, is it gonna fuck it up? Fuck it, let's try. That's like, I've got a bit of foundation. Maybe I need concealer in that area to lighten it. Maybe it's like shadowing that I'm seeing. Obviously planning on getting like fillers and stuff before the day, but I think I need some brightness here. I don't mind the eyes. I kind of like this color. I haven't really done it before. I think next time I might have the smokiness condensed in a little bit so it's not like too much potentially. And I'd love to try some lower fake lashes because my lower lashes are pretty much non-existent, but I do like the lighter waterline. I think that's better than having it dark. But yeah, not too bad I guess for a trial. This eyebrow's pissed me off, but oh, this was so much harder than I thought. I want to go out in natural light and like, ooh, that's bright. Let's see what he thinks. I don't know.
Do you want to go out in the sunlight?
Yeah, if you want to have a look out there.
Yeah, baby. Do you not like it?
It was harder than I thought, and
Why is that a problem?
No, it's not. It's not a problem.
It's just what?
I don't know if I'm skilled enough to do it.
You're not skilled enough. Was it your first time doing it?
Mm-hmm.
Give yourself some grace. Plenty of time to do it all over again.
Yeah.
Imperfect, imperfect, imperfect. So proud of you.
Thank you, babe.
You look amazing.
Thank you.